Hey guys, welcome at STYX. We're coming with us. So here at STYX, we love to do a few things quite customized for our restaurant. For instance, we did our banquets, we did our wallpapers, and today we're going to be playing around to do some little napkin holders that we're going to do on our own. So right now I am actually preparing the files that we're going to be printing after. And totally novice at this thing, but actually it's not that difficult. It's pretty straightforward, especially if you've done a little bit of Photoshop or Illustrator before. You're gonna feel pretty much at home. Extrude this now. 5mm, that's gonna be our front facade. So now that we're done here and happy with the shape, we're just gonna take that file and we're gonna move over to the printer down here. Little baby's already working here, so you can see it moving. Basically what we're trying to get is get some little shapes like these, which are going to be our two facades, and these little triangles, which are the ones that are going to make me be able to have my napkin standing up straight. So, out of the printer, we got our little triangle shapes, we got our little facades here, rough edges in, and we got a little shot of alcohol here, absolutely pure alcohol. And we are going to paint these surfaces with the alcohol. So this should help the plastic start getting to melt a little bit so we can actually get them together. And ta-da! One of the first of our little napkin holders. Which is near the last phase of production, and now you'll see it's still a little bit rough, and we are gonna use the beautiful polisher to make this all nice and shiny now. Okay, time for the next step. Let's go to the polisher. Let's put this one in this little compartment here. Nice and visible, very easy. One-step operation. Goodbye, napkin holder. It looks like it's closed, properly sealed. Now we just need to put about 25 minutes of this. We should be aiming for this kind of beautiful glossy effect, very smooth, very shiny. It's gonna be very simple. Okay, so our polishing cycle is finished. We're going to open this beautiful machine. So why did we do this polishing? Because we're gonna go actually from this little rough surface to this very nice, clean, shiny finish, totally polished. This is water resistant. It makes it totally sealed. It's not gonna break. It's gonna make it very easy to clean. So it's a very convenient little tool that we have now. And this is going to help us optimize our napkin dispensing service to our guests. So grab this out by the handles. The sides are a little bit sticky at this point. Just gonna check that we don't have any alcohol thing at the bottom. And we're gonna be leaving this here for about a night, about 20 hours for it to dry. And from tomorrow, we're gonna be able to use this in operation in the restaurant. Very easy. We're just gonna put our little napkins in here. Get a slightly bigger stack. This one here. Perfect. Ready for service. Here we are. Beautiful little STYX napkin holders. Our little napkin holders go just here on the table. And here we are. Voila. Okay, let's try some of these babies here. Try some of the beef. That looks good. Perfect. That works well.